Hi, this is Divyesh Mistry. Today I'm going to share 3 important communication skills which will help you succeed at your workplace. But before we go ahead, we first need to understand the importance of communication in the workplace and what is effective communication actually. So, let's begin. So, to start with, let me give you an analogy of an engine. Imagine your organization as an engine, then the communication is the fuel for this engine. Yes, it is that important. To give you an example, a company or an organization where there is clear communication between the employer and the employees feel a sense of their voice being heard, they feel motivated, and they feel good about themselves and the organization they work for. On the other hand, if there is no clear communication between the employees and the employer, then the employees feel unmotivated and disgruntled. They lack this sense of belonging and thus they don't perform well. Hence, communication is very important part for an organization's success, or rather effective communication is very important or an integral part for an organization's success. But what is effective communication? An effective communicator is the person who engages and really listens to the other person. He takes time to ask relevant questions and responds accordingly. When an effective communicator speaks, he is confident, clear, and courteous in his interactions. So this is the importance of communication and what is effective communication. Now let's see 3 top skills which will help you succeed at your workplace. Active listening involves paying close attention to what others are saying and asking clarifying questions to demonstrate interest and understanding. अब ज़्यादातर लोगों को यही जल्दी रहती है कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वही आप सुनो. मी फर्स्ट. जो मेरे दिमाग में है वही सबसे पहले निकलना चाहिए. बट इफ यू स्टॉप डूइंग दिस एंड इफ यू प्रैक्टिस एक्टिव लिसनिंग, इट विल डू 2 मैजिकल थिंग्स फॉर यू. फर्स्टली, द पर्सन टू whom you are talking will feel that he is being heard, so it will create a better connect. And second, you will get a chance to understand the opposite person better. So please practice active listening. Now, there is a clear-cut distinction between listening and hearing. Hearing is what happens automatically to every human being unless you are a hearing impaired person. Otherwise, hearing happens naturally to everyone. But listening is what happens when you decode what is being heard. Meaning, when you try and understand what is being said, that is called listening. And we are going one step ahead of listening, which is called active listening. Meaning, don't just listen to react, please listen and understand to respond. The second point is the awareness of communication styles. Yes, there are styles of communication, and there are 4 important styles of communication, namely passive aggressive, passive aggressive, and assertive. So these are 4 main styles of communication. अब अगर मैं आपको डिटेल में बताऊं हर एक पॉइंट, तो नंबर 1 which is पैसिव स्टाइल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेटर, ये इंसान हमेशा डरा डरा रहता है. ये हमेशा ये सोचता है दैट आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट अननेसेसरी chaos at my workplace, and so majority of the times he tries and avoid any kind of conversation. Second is an aggressive communicator. Now this particular type of communicator, ये हमेशा यही सोचता है कि जो वो बोल रहा है वही सही है. I am always right, and this person often does not care about the way and language in which he speaks. The third style of communication is passive aggressive. अब passive aggressive is a kind of person जो हमेशा फील कुछ और करता है पर बताता कुछ और है. देयर इज अ शील्ड इन बिटवीन हिज एक्चुअल फीलिंग एंड हिज बिहेवियर. सो अगर इस इंसान को गुस्सा भी आ रहा होता है या ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी फील कर रहा होता है, तो ये ही विल नॉट try and show that frustration or anger. Final style of communication is assertive. This particular type of communicator is extremely clear about his communication, the language he uses, the way in which he communicates, the words, everything is absolutely clear, and he is the most polite communicator, and also he is very confident communicator. So these are 4 styles of communication: passive aggressive, passive aggressive, and assertive. Third point is persuasion. What is persuasion? It is a very subtle art of convincing people to do so many things which even they thought they could not do. And this ability to persuade others is very useful in the workplace, and employers value employees who demonstrate proficient persuasive skills because it can lead to increased productivity. And एक और बात बताऊं, ये पर्टिकुलर स्किल आपको एक लोअर मैनेजमेंट एम्प्लॉय से एक सीनियर मैनेजमेंट एम्प्लॉय बनने का मौका दे सकती है. सो प्लीज़ लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ पर्सुएशन. पर एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखनी होती है यहाँ पर, द आर्ट लाइज इन नॉट अलाउिंग द अदर पर्सन टू नो दैट ही इज बीइंग persuaded. So these were 3 important points to help you succeed at your workplace. I want to leave you with this single thought. Communication is an art, and communication skills are your tools. Depending on what, when, where, and how you use, you can either create a masterpiece or a debacle. The choice is always yours. Thanks a lot. God bless.